Hi everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to lock your Experian credit report. So I'm going to just get straight into the details. It's a little bit different from my other video that is my Equifax because it is a free version. So this one is a little bit different. I'm going to walk you through the steps because you will need to fill out some information. So I'd just rather just walk you to the details of how to get it, but it should be pretty straightforward. So how to lock your credit report with Experian is first you need to sign up for Experian, which you can go to Experian.com. If you already have not signed up, Experian membership is $24.99. So what I recommend is, and it's $24.99 per month. So it's kind of expensive. However, what I recommend and what I've done in the past is going through the free trial for 7 days. And you will need to put a credit card on file for that free trial. So if you need to just lock your credit report for a couple of days, like if you're doing the lock your method, or something like that, you need to just lock it for a couple of days. What I recommend is just going to the free trial for 7 days and just putting an alert on your phone or something so that you can make sure you can cancel that membership, right? Unless you want the Experian benefit to the membership, which is $24.99. I have it, but it all depends on you. So that's what I recommend for you guys to do if you just need it, if you just need it right away and you want it for free. Or you can do the Experian credit lock for $4.99 for the first month, and then it's $24.99 after. So this is just to lock your credit report. So if you don't want to spend the $24.99 for the first month, say for instance you've already been to the free trial, now you're paying $24.99 and you're not really using all of their services. You may want to pay $4.99 just for the credit lock for that first month, but it will go up to $24.99 again. So it all depends on your preference actually, but they do have that Experian credit lock as well. And it's no longer free. It used to be free though, but it's no longer free anymore, which is unfortunate. But Experian does not have free credit lock. But you can get a free trial for it for 7 days. Yeah. So here I have a screenshot of what it looks like when you unlock your credit report and you lock your credit report. So once you sign up for Experian and you're going to that free trial, then you have it. Remember, if you have the free membership, you're not going to see this though. So just make sure if you're on the free trial that it's not the free membership, it's the free trial of the $24.99 membership, okay? If you do have Experian, you don't see this, then you may need to upgrade or get the membership that's $24.99. And then it will appear that you can unlock and lock your credit profile, okay? And once you lock your credit profile, you'll get an alert on your phone or email letting you know that it has been locked. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I hope this was helpful for you guys. And I'll see you guys around in the next video. Bye.